There is a question. The question is that what is larger, 0.5 or 0.25? We tell that which one is larger. So first of all we have to solve that this is in decimal form and this is also in decimal form. We convert the decimal into the fraction. So we write that 0.5 is equal to 5 upon 10. So now the table of 5 is equal to 1 upon 2. So then 0.5 is equal to 1 upon 2. Now we convert the decimal 0.25 into fraction. We write that 25 upon 100. So the table of 25 is equal to 1 upon 4. So here we see that the 0.5 is equal to 1 upon 2 and 0.25 is equal to 1 upon 4. Means a object having half part of the object, and the 0.25 is equal to 1 upon fourth part of the object. So half of object is larger than the fourth part of the object. So we write that the 0.5 is larger, 0.5 is larger than 0.25. Simple.